How to repair bare spots in your lawn. Peak Agro Seeds. Have you noticed empty patches ruining the look of your lawn? The good news is that repairing bare spots isn't difficult if you follow the right process. In this guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps that help grass grow thicker, healthier, and blend naturally with the rest of your lawn. Step 1. Prepare the soil properly. The first and most important step is preparing the bare area before adding any grass seed. Many people simply throw seed onto hard ground and wonder why nothing grows. Grass seed needs direct contact with loose soil in order to germinate successfully. Use a hand cultivator, garden weasel, or a sturdy rake to loosen the top layer of soil. Break up any compacted dirt and remove rocks, dead grass, weeds, or debris. This creates a soft seedbed where the seeds can settle and develop strong roots. A well-prepared surface gives your new grass the best possible start. Step 2. Spread the grass seed evenly. Once the soil is loose, it's time to apply the grass seed. Spread the seed evenly across the bare patch. Avoid using too little seed, which can leave thin areas, but don't overdo it either. Overcrowded seedlings compete for water and nutrients, resulting in weaker grass. After spreading the seed, lightly rake the area again. This helps mix the seeds into the top layer of soil instead of leaving them exposed on the surface. Good seed-to-soil contact greatly improves germination. Step 3. Protect the newly planted seed. Fresh grass seed is vulnerable to birds, drying winds, and direct sunlight. To protect it, spread a thin layer of peat moss or another suitable mulch over the seeded area. The covering helps hold moisture in the soil while reducing the chances of birds eating the seed. Remember, only apply a light layer. The seeds still need sunlight and air to grow successfully. Step 4. Feed the new grass. Young grass benefits from the right fertilizer during establishment. Choose a starter fertilizer that contains a higher amount of phosphorus, as phosphorus encourages healthy root development. Strong roots help the grass establish faster and survive future stress. If you're repairing only a few bare spots, a liquid starter fertilizer is often a great choice because it spreads evenly and reduces the risk of damaging delicate seedlings. Always follow the application instructions listed on the fertilizer label. Step 5. Keep the soil moist. This is the step that makes the biggest difference. Grass seed should never be allowed to dry out during germination. Instead of watering heavily once a day, water lightly several times throughout the day to keep the top layer of soil consistently moist. Depending on your weather conditions, watering 2 or 3 times daily is usually enough. Continue this watering schedule until the grass has fully germinated and the new seedlings are growing evenly across the repaired area. Once the new grass becomes established, you can gradually reduce watering frequency and switch to deeper, less frequent watering sessions that encourage deeper root growth. Final thoughts. Repairing bare lawn spots is easier than most homeowners think. Success comes down to following a few simple steps. Prepare the soil, spread quality grass seed, protect it with a light covering, feed it with the right fertilizer, and keep the soil consistently moist until the grass is fully established. If you stay patient and follow these steps carefully, your bare patches will soon transform into lush, green grass that blends seamlessly with the rest of your lawn. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Peak Agro Seeds, and turn on notifications for more lawn care, grass growing, and landscaping tips that help you build a greener, healthier yard.